Tips and tricks. Use Content Explorer to find top-performing content in your niche and analyze what makes it successful. Filter for followed links in Site Explorer to focus on the most valuable backlink opportunities. Set up a rank tracker to monitor your target keywords and get alerted to position changes. Best hack. Leverage a ref's content gap feature to find keywords your competitors rank for but you don't. Plug in multiple competitors to surface keyword opportunities you may be missing. Price range. Starter plan for $29 per month. $129 for $149 per month. 3. Moz Pro. Moz Pro is an SEO platform offering keyword research, link analysis, site audits, rank tracking, and on-page optimization. We've used Moz Pro for on-page SEO. The on-page grader provides actionable recommendations, ensuring pages are optimized for search engines and users. Moz Pro has carved out a niche in the SEO industry by offering a user-friendly platform catering to beginners and experienced professionals. One of Moz Pro's standout features is its comprehensive on-page optimization toolkit. It provides insights and recommendations for improving your website's content, structure, and overall SEO performance. The platform is also known for providing reliable and accurate data. Moz Pro's metrics and reports are widely trusted within the industry. Potential drawbacks. Some features aren't as comprehensive as specialized tools, for example, backlink data versus, or refs. Monthly limits on certain features like keyword queries, tips and tricks. Use Mozbar free Chrome extension for on-the-go metrics while browsing the web. Leverage the SERP analysis feature in Keyword Explorer to understand the competitive landscape for target keywords. Set up custom reports to track key metrics like keyword rankings, link growth, and site crawl issues. Best hack. Run your site through Moz Pro's site crawl and prioritize the identified issues by high, medium, and low impact. Focus on resolving the high-impact issues first. Price range. $49, $299 per month. 4. Majestic. Majestic is renowned for its backlink database, making it a go-to tool for link analysis and acquisition. We've used Majestic for backlink audits. The Backlinks tab in Site Explorer shows your site's link profile, allowing you to identify potentially toxic links and spot opportunities. Majestic has made a name in the SEO industry primarily due to its extensive backlink database. This resource provides current link data and offers historical information. The platform stands out with its proprietary link quality metrics, trust flow and citation flow. These unique indicators offer a nuanced view of a website's link profile quality. Majestic also excels in comparative analysis. Its tools let you compare link profiles of multiple websites side by side. Potential drawbacks. User interface can be less intuitive compared to some other tools, primarily focused on link data.